Welcome back once again to my channel. Today we are going to look at a different video. This is the continuation of the last video. Remember, the last video was on mean and median. So today we are going to look at how to solve this particular question. The question says, find the mean and the median of the following numbers: 3, 10, 17, 24, 31, up to 7,003. So now, how do we find the mean and the median of these numbers? If you look critically or carefully at the numbers, you will see that the difference between 10 and 3 is 7. The difference between positive difference between 10 and 17 is 7. The same thing is applicable to the difference between, or the same thing is the difference between 17 and 24. Also 24 and 31. So if you check that, you see that these numbers are evenly distributed. And now if we want to find the mean or the median, we go straight to applying what we showed in the previous video. So because of this, if you've not watched the previous video, endeavor to go back and watch the previous video, because with that you can easily see how to solve this question without so much stress. Now let's see how to tackle the question. You might try it on your own first before you go ahead to making use of the or applying the same approach which I'm going to use here to solve this particular problem. Now let's look at the first step, or the first thing we need to do while solving this. Now what do we need to do here? We just see that these numbers are evenly distributed and the nth term is nothing but 7,003. That is the nth term of the arithmetic progression there, with the common difference 7 and the first term 3. Now let us look at the solution. So we now need to record that mean from what we did the last time is equal to the sum of the first nth term of an arithmetic progression, n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times common difference, everything divided by n. That will give us the mean, and this is nothing but this is equal to 1 over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So this is equal to, let me correct something here. So this is better now. So this is equal to what we have here now, which is this all over this is equal to the, because n will cancel out n, and this will give us, we push in half, we have a plus d over 2 into n minus 1. So what we just need to do now is just to substitute directly. If we substitute directly into this, then we already know our a, where a is equal to 3, d is equal to 7. Now we are expected to look for n, but n is not yet known. We now find n. What is n? Now we remember that the nth term of the arithmetic progression, Tn, is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, and this is nothing but 7,003. That is what it is equal to. But what is our A? This will give us that A is equal to 3 plus what is D? 7 into n minus 1 is nothing but 7,003. So what does this mean? This means that 7 into n minus 1 is equal to 7,000. What does it mean? It means that n minus 1, this implies that n minus 1, when we divide both sides by 7, will give us 1,000. And the implication now is that n is equal to 1001. That is the number of times. So now we actually have an arithmetic progression, the first 1001th term of an arithmetic progression. That is what we have. And we now want to find the mean of the numbers up to 1001. You see, it is too cumbersome. If we start summing them up, when will we get to the final answer? So now, by employing the formula we know, that our formula, that the one we derived earlier, the mean now is nothing but what? A plus D over 2 into n minus 1. And what is our A now? So that means that the mean, is equal to A is 3 plus D is 7 over 2 into 1001 minus 1. And this is equal to 3 plus 7 over 2 into 1001 minus 1 is 1000. So then this is equal to 3 plus 7 times 7 over 2 of 1000 is nothing but 7 of 500, because 1000 divided by 2 is 500. So if we continue now, we have this to be equal to 3 plus 7 times 500 is 3,500. That's 7 times 500. Yeah, it's 3,500. So this is equal to what? 3,503. So what am I writing? So that means the mean of the numbers is 3,503, and also the median, because the numbers are evenly distributed, is also equal to 3,503. And we are done. Thank you for patiently watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and subscribe to my channel, so that other videos I'll be uploading, you will always be among the first people to watch it. Thank you for watching.